What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Gio watching Keeping This Tech, and in today's video, we're about to unbox the Michael Jackson Funko Pop Bad Tour vinyl. I don't have an unboxing knife, so I'm just gonna pull off the tape here. I just came back from the Spider-Man movie, which, by the way, fire, amazing. And it was 3D, so I wore my contacts today. That's why I don't have my glasses on. And this came in the mail as I was leaving, so let's go ahead. And I love Funko, the way they package their stuff. It's like you always know it's gonna be secure. All right, guys, so here we are. This is a little open. We're gonna take a look at it. Hold on real quick. Now, this was delivered by Amazon, so I wonder if I'm gonna get an Amazon tag on here, because the Billie Jean Diamond one was delivered the same way. Hold on, I guess we'll do it this way, right? You guys get to see it first. What does it look like? I don't know, I haven't seen it yet. Ah, it's my guy. Hell yeah, let's go. Oh man, immediate. Oh man, this looks so much better in person. Yo, you see that, yo? Let's go. Oh, dude, Mike right here. This is sick, man. Okay. Michael Jackson, Bad Tour. This is available now. There are no other Funko Pops available. If you guys want, I actually have all of them. I have every single one that has come out in the last 3 years. And it's crazy to think that, you know, these things are all sold out now for the most part. This is still available on Funko Pop's website. In fact, I'm gonna order another one before I post this video up, because I know y'all out there be wildin'. Not you, because you and I, we're the same people. I'm talking about the people who are watching this that are scalpers, you know? So I'm gonna get one, because this is cool, man. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, I'm hyped for this one. Let me know if you guys want me to do a Funko Pop kind of haul, show y'all all my Michael Jackson ones. Let me know in the comments. I got literally all of them. I was going back and I saw I had the first one as early as the summer of 2023. So it's been 3 years since they've been releasing them. And yeah, the first one was the Bad album and the Thriller album. And then Smooth Criminal came out after that. And then the rest is, as you know, is history. And obviously fast forward to August, well, now it's actually July 31st. This is out. So yeah, Funko Pop, we got all of them. So let me know if you want. We could do it. You just gotta let me know in the comments, all right? All right, peace.